Hello. Raise your hands if you know arranged marriages were very common in the world until 18th century. Typically, marriages were arranged by parents, grandparents, relatives, and close friends. But in Hinduism in India, they have a very important hurdle to cross before the boy can meet the girl. It's not the star signs, wealth, beauty, education, caste that matters. Please raise your hand and say I if you don't know why. According to Hinduism, there are three types of humans living on earth and they are called as Ganas. 1% of people are called Rakshasas. These are self-interested human beings who acquire wealth, power, and do not respect others and thrive on their ego. 2% of people are called Devaganas, the ones who take care of the universe. They are supposed to keep an eye on Rakshasas, protect the lives of animals, plants, and protect the environment. They do not talk about themselves nor their family and wealth. 97% of inhabitants are called Manushyas or Naras. These are the ones who talk about their family, their wealth, their home, and do not think about humanity or lives of other living souls on earth. Why do they do this? Because parents will not allow a Rakshasa to be married to a Manushya or Nara, because the Rakshasas are so strong and they make life of a Nara a living hell. The only person who can marry a Rakshasa are Devagana people, because Devagana people are like the representative of the universe, who are clever, who are smart, educated, attractive, and keep Rakshasas under control. Why am I talking about all this? Because 97% of inhabitants on earth are right now controlled by Rakshasas by instigating fear of infections and death. Here I am, a clinician. I have lived and worked in acute and intensive care for almost 40 years, acquired the knowledge, conquered fear, and survived without getting any infection. I rarely used gowns, masks, and even gloves, and I've never taken any vaccination or immune boosting drugs to help protect me from getting infected. I have shared my knowledge, helped healthcare professionals conquer the fear of infections, empowered them to continue working as doctors with no fear of getting infected. Clap your hands and thank universe for bringing us together today. I promise to do all that I can to help you conquer the fear of infection, make informed decisions, identify infected individuals at home, isolate them, and protect your family, friends, and your community. Thank you.